Andhra Pradesh State Government new textbook for the class 8th. Plane. A plane is a flat surface extending indefinitely in all directions. So, plane is there, it extends in all directions. Examples: surface of a box, floor of the classroom, surface of a book or a paper. Plane is a two-dimensional. Plane curve. A curve that lies in a single plane. In other words, when we join number of points without lifting our pen from the paper, then the diagram is called plane curve. Here some examples are given. Here I am taking one plane curve, another one, another plane curve, another plane curve. I am not lifting the pencil when the curve ends. Note, in the sense, a line is also a curve. Otherwise, any straight or bended line also a curve. Simple curve. A curve which does not cross or cut itself is a simple curve. Here some examples are there. See here I draw one curve. It does not cross itself. Here I draw another curve. Does not cross itself. Here I draw one circle. Does not cross itself. These are simple curves. Not simple curves, because they cross at a point. See here I draw one curve from here to here. They cross here at P and P point. Here also I draw another curve. See, it crossed at P. So they are not simple curves. Curves are two types: open and closed curves. Open curves. An open curve has two endpoints. It does not enclose an area. Here see examples. This is one curve. It has 2 points, A and B. This is another curve, A and B endpoints. Another curve, A and B another endpoints. Another curve, here also A and B endpoints. Another curve, A and B endpoints. Closed curves. A closed curve has no endpoints and completely encloses an area. See here, I draw one curve. This is closed, no endpoint. Here I draw another curve. This is also closed, no endpoint. Here I draw another curve. This is also closed, no endpoint. This is another I drawn. This is also closed. This is also closed. Match the following. Here some figures are given. That types are given. Match the following. So this is not closed but simple. This is not a simple curve. This is simple closed curve. This is not a simple but closed. Polygons. A simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. Simple closed curves made up of line segments. These are line segments. These are closed. So these are called as polygons. Here see, they are not simple. So they are not polygons. Classification of polygons. We classify polygons according to the number of sides or vertices. If number of sides are 3, it is triangle. Number of sides are 4, quadrilateral. Sides are 5, pentagon. If it has 6 sides, hexagon. 7 sides, heptagon. 8 sides, octagon. 9 sides, nonagon. Like that, based on sides, their names are given.